Under My Roof helps you keep track of insurance and warranty claims. To add a claim to an insurance policy or warranty, select the policy or warranty. Select the Claims tab to view all of the associated claims, and then tap or click the Add button. Give the claim a descriptive name, a claim number, and select the claim type. You can also include contact information for whoever is processing the claim. Once the claim has been created, you can use the Notes subsection to keep a chronological log, and attach claim-related documents to the Attached Files subsection. Use the Photos section to store any relevant photos, such as pictures of the damage. Claims for home, auto, and flood-related insurance policies include a Damages section. This is useful for more involved claims by giving you an area to document the damage separately for each affected item or location within the home. Use the Expenses section to keep track of any out-of-pocket expenses. This is particularly useful for medical insurance claims and claims where there is damage to your home or automobile. Finally, the Repairs section shows you any repairs associated with your claim. To associate a repair with an open claim, navigate to the item, location, or home that is being repaired and select the Repairs section. Either create a new repair or edit an existing repair and select the claim in the Claim field. As your claim progresses, you can edit the claim entry with the deductible and payout information if applicable. Once you've fully settled your claim, edit the claim entry and enter the date it was settled on.